Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am going to try something out. I don't know how this is going to work. It's called Beautygarde. It is a oil-free lash and brow shampoo. This was sent to me. I thought it was a crazy product. I have no idea what I'm doing. There's some information here. I think I also have like some coupons and samples. So like, can I use it? So I have makeup on right now, like very natural makeup. I was at a memorial service for somebody. Anyway, I wasn't wearing this though, just so y'all know I would not wear this. So she has makeup on in this photo. I'm gonna do it. You know, I love the packaging. I'm gonna put the pricing down below. I'm not sure how much this costs. I have no idea. It's all a guess to me right now. We're just gonna dive in because this is crazy if it works, right? So you have this. It's just a tube. And then you have this brush on the top, and it's really soft and nice. I'm kind of nervous though, because like, I don't have a ton of stuff, but I do have both brows and mascara. Oh, I should have left my glasses on to read. I can't read without my... Does this happen to you guys? Glasses girls? You know what I'm saying? Oy vey, my hair's all in it. Oh, good, I saved my hair. Because you don't, if you just pull it, it'll just rip your hair off. Gosh, I gotta tighten. I know, I have to tighten the little screws. That's what it is. Alright, so let's just read the back so we all know what's going on here. This oil-free gel deep cleans and completely removes makeup with no greasy residue. The soft cleansing brush protects the delicate eye area without pulling or damaging lashes or lash extensions. So you can use this if you have lash extensions. I don't. I wish I did. If you want to pay for them for me, I'll put my Patron. No, I'm just kidding. All right, anyway. It's just me joking. All right, so directions. Twist brush to on position. Is it on? I guess that means, oh, yep, it's on. So it has like a clicker and it tells you right here if it's on. And wet brush. Oh, I have to wet it. I don't have any water. Yoza. All right, I'll be right back. All right, the brush is now wet. All right. Squeeze tube to push cleanser through brush head. Gently wash eye and brow areas in a circular motion until makeup dissolves. Twist brush to off position. Rinse both eye area and brush thoroughly. Allow brush to dry before replacing cap. So, I'm not going to do the end results. I have a rag here, like one of my face rags. Anyway, look at how it's stained. Isn't that gross? Sorry. I feel really uncomfortable showing you guys that. Okay, so it's in there. It doesn't really smell like anything, which is good because I don't really want to go. Alright, let's just do one side, right? It's odd. It's like, it feels kind of good though. Feels like I'm cleaning the area. Is it dissolving? Oh, it burns! It burns. I don't know how I feel about this. Oh my god, it burns. It's like I put soap in my eyes. It's so... Oh, what kind of troll is this? Oh, man. Look how red... Now, hold on. It's not as bad as if I put soap. This is something you cannot put too much. There's a learning curve here, okay? Oh, I don't know if it's worth it, though. It definitely... You can see... Hold on. Oh, my God. I'm not doing the other side. Just for comparison's sake, you can see... Here's my camera, though. This side. Don't look at how terrible my brow is. Anyway, it did take it all off, though. You know how mascara will last for like 1,000 years. Now, I'm supposed to go and rinse all of this off with water. Now, hold on. And then rinse this and then cap it. Wait to cap it until it's completely dry, obviously, so it doesn't grow mold or mildew or whatever. Then you're going to put it on your eyes. My thoughts on this product is it's cool. It's a cool product. You have to be careful with this, though. The amount that you use is really going to determine whether you burn your eye. There's a learning curve. I've never used this before. We did this all first time together. This isn't like me. Oh, look at him. But The fact that you're putting this brush on your eye, I don't know. I guess there's soap so it would kill things, but I don't know. I'm going to try this out a few more times and then I'll leave, and then I'll post the video with my final thoughts down below. It is 1.8 ounces. I'm going to put the price as well down there so that you guys can kind of see for yourself. I think it's a fun product though. It's so different, right? Safe for faux lashes and extensions. So you can use this on your like fake lashes, not just, you can like probably just wash them. I'm wondering though if I just used too much, maybe like the squeeze I did was too much. Oh, I gotta turn this off. Anyway, it's a fun product. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.